Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Authy. First, download the Authy app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and enter your phone number and email address. Authy will then send a verification code to confirm your identity. Enter this code into the app to complete the initial registration process and begin securing your accounts. Now that Authy is set up, let's add your first account. Open the Authy app and tap the Add Account button. Most services will display a QR code. Simply use your phone's camera to scan it. If a QR code isn't available, you can manually enter the 32-character setup key provided by the service. This links your account to Authy. Protecting your Authy tokens is crucial. Enable encrypted backups within the app settings. This ensures your two-factor authentication tokens are safe if you lose your device. You will need to create a strong, unique backup password. Remember this password as it's essential for restoring your accounts on a new device. Keep it private and secure. Using Authy for two-factor authentication is straightforward. When logging into a service, open the Authy app to see the rotating 6-digit code for that account. Enter this code into the login screen of the service when prompted. The codes refresh every 30 seconds, providing robust security. Always keep your device secured with a strong passcode or biometric authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.